Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be checking out a 2020 Yamaha 242X wakeboard boat. Let's go check it out. As you can see, this has a sport graphic on the side of it. Gives that boat a really nice look, all color matched with the bottom hull color. Really sharp looking boat. With a color match powder coated ski tower for all your wakeboarding skis. Then on the back platform here, you have Yamaha's little sun pad for whenever you're chilling out at the sandbars and hanging out. Comes with the sea deck material on the back, very nice, rich feel. Has a Fusion radio receiver down here so you don't have to get back out in the boat. And then you have two more speakers here at the back. Makes for a really nice audio quality for both wakeboarding and hanging out at the sandbar. Features a really nice 3-step ladder, telescoping. Sits really low in the water for easy access. Now let's go take a look at the inside. Moving in here under this very nice shaded bimini top on the tower, we have a really nice corner seating here. Makes for a lot of room for a lot of people to sit around. Again, plenty of speakers all around. You have your really nice tower speakers here. They're Wet Sound brand, very quality sounding. And then you also have a sound bar up here. It's about a 1,000-watt system altogether. Plenty of storage underneath all the seats with really nice aluminum latches. You have a removable cushion here. And then you have a dual battery setup with battery switches to control them all. As you can see on the flooring of this model, we have a marine mat, which is a sea deck-like material. Makes for a really rich feel, really nice, aesthetically pleasing. The captain's chair here has a flip-up bolster. Really nice fit and finish. Has the red accent inlays on the seats. And that's both for the captain's chair and the co-captain's chair. Now this model actually has the E-Series on it. So you have a push start and stop for both port and starboard motors. And a completely digital throttle. Makes for real ease of operation. Then you also have Yamaha's touchscreen panel there. Gives you all the diagnostics for your motor functions, so you can keep a good eye on all of your equipment on board. Got really nice cup holders all around, all stainless steel tops. Plenty to go around. You actually have a Wet Sound sub included right next to that co-captain's chair. You have a ski locker here in the center with a wakeboard ballast bag included inside if you ever need to cut and make a bigger wake, or for any of the people that love surfing. Got a head included on this model that can have a porta potty added if you'd like. Plenty of room. A lot of people use it for storage. You got your glove compartment here with a lockable storage underneath for all your important documents or personal items. Pass-through windshield. Up towards the bow, you got two more speakers, two more cup holders. Again, plenty for people to sit around. A lot of sound to go around. More storage. All of these compartments are self-bailing to keep everything nice and dry. It's also lined with carpet to prevent anything from getting scratched up. Boat also comes with 2 bow filler cushions to turn this into a huge sun pad. This model also comes with an included anchor storage with a front ladder for really nice access off the bow of the boat. Not a whole lot of boats have that feature. Very nice, very convenient. All right, guys, if this is a boat you'd be interested in, please contact me at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. My name is Connor Marr, and thank you.